Hi, it's Gina from WTI. I'm coming to you from my extremely small shower to tell you about the Nieifi soap dish holder. It's fully adhesive, so you don't have to do any drilling to get it to adhere to the wall. I made sure when we were installing it that it wasn't over any of the cracks in the vinyl tile. It's a very simple soap holder, but it's so pretty with the matte black color, and it's easy to clean just with a wet microfiber cloth. I like that it has these 4 hooks on the side as well that you can use to hang things off of if you'd like. The adhesive is really strong. It doesn't budge at all when I kind of push or pull on the soap dish. The company does send an extra adhesive strip just in case you need it, but so far we haven't. I'm so pleased with this soap holder. It's really exceeded my expectations. So if you're looking for something that is easy to install, is really going to work and not fall off of the wall, then I recommend this soap dish, and that's my point of view.